Mga kaibigan, no? Ah, we got first the cuttings of we are here, no? Andito ho tayo sa in our bonsai materials mini garden. We have a bonsai here, a bonsai collections, and we have a cuttings from our tugas. The cuttings of our tugas before is like this, no? And now, as he is continuing to grow, and we planted the tugas in our land over at the mountain. So that's why, mga kaibigan, we have a bonsai wire here. So ganun lang ho, mga kaibigan, no? Papalakihin natin to, aalagaan natin. Katulad ng pag-aalaga ho at pag-aaruga to nurture here in ourselves, in our children right now. Mga kaibigan, we nurture this like us because it is a direct applications to the life, in which the bonsai called is a branches, because that is a word of the Japanese. But the concept is what it was style. The concept was in how many decades, in how many ED, mga kaibigan. It was from the Chinese, no? From the Chinese people. So we call it to nurture these cuttings to grow a small tree which is growing in the pot, because the Chinese was the first to develop a dwarf trees on the pot and the ornamentals. So we given this as to the direct affections to the life of everybody on how we nurtured in our children. So ngayon, mga kaibigan, dami na pong mga bad boy ngayon, mga bad guy, no? Pumapatay ng mga guro. Yung mga estudyante ngayon, wala nang matitinong pag-iisip. Wala nang matitino, wala na sa tamang disiplina, wala na sa tamang uri ng pag-aalaga sa sarili, kasi sa panahon ho namin ay pinag-aano ho kami, di ba? Magsisitting on the air pag hindi ka marunong bumasa, maliliit ka, standing with box and here at the platform. But now, no, kung makikita ninyo, may pinatay na estudyante kasi hindi siya pumasa. At ngayon naman, may nakikita ho tayo, principal, pinatay ng estudyante. So, my message, the criminals right now, unti-unti nang bumabata. Kasi yung mga criminal ngayon ay mga bata ng mga kaibigan. So, which is the human rights right now? No? Saan na ba kayo? Yung mga pulis natin, pinapatay ng mga adik ng mga kriminal na to, mga putak ina to, di ba? Wala kayong imik.